Okay, so this is a double hamstring curl to a bridge to a single leg eccentric curl out. This is pretty challenging. I recommend having the arms on the ground to help keep you supported. So you curl in with both feet, keeping your low back flat to start. Bridge up, lift up one leg, slowly curl out. Big focus is keeping your hips high as you can, keeping them even, and then slowly curling out with one leg. As you start getting tired, you'll want to go faster, but really try to slow it down.
First, you're going to start on fours with the foam roller. Big key here is that as you're driving up, you're actively trying to push out as far as you can, and you're going to be placing your palms up. So here, the first step is you're just going to work on this part. Again, I'm pushing a little bit in the ground, pushing forward against me, in front of me, and I'm rotating my palm up. From here, you should feel a pretty intense stretch in your lats, which is over here, and maybe even in your side of your back. So again, step one is just getting used to this and feeling the stretch. If you're not able to feel it, you can try shifting some of your weight. Think about shifting your weight down of your right hip, right hip away from my shoulder. It's going to be here. That's step one. After you get this down, you can add the lift off. So now for the lift off, I'm going to go as far as I can. Once I do the lift off, keep my core engaged. I'm going to try to lift off and then back. Nothing moves except my shoulder on the lift up. I'm not going to actually move my trunk. I'm just going to try to lift my elbow and shoulder up. So I'm here, lift off.
This is shoulder flexion against the wall. So I have to keep some pressure against the wall, against the foam roller, so that I don't drop the foam roller off the wall. But I'm also keeping enough pressure so that I can feel these muscles on the outside of my shoulder blades working and helping once I get overhead. So I start here, maybe my hands are about shoulder width apart, and I only bring my hands down the shoulder height. Now I'm gonna go up as far as I can, and as my arms go up, I'm letting my upper body lean through. I'm not going too far. I have to keep some pressure in my shoulders and my shoulder blades into the foam roller, and then it feels okay. But at the top, my shoulder blades feel like they're coming up and around my armpits. Go as far as you can. Focus on not just arching your low back, but you should feel like you're getting some movement in your mid back, especially in between your shoulder blades. So these are foam roll hamstring curls. What you want to do is you want to get set up with your feet sort of flat, almost your toes, even starting on the foam roll, where your knees bent as far as you want to go. And then starting in this position, you want to get your low back flat against the ground. You're going to bridge up, and now straighten your knees as far as you can while keeping your hips tall. Curl back in, out, curl back in. The further out you go, the harder it is. The goal is to really keep your hips high and don't arch your low back. So again, I'll start back with my toes just on the foam roller, curl up, and then go.